BZH here from BigZachsHouse. Tonight, just doing a quick little haul video. I'm gonna start documenting all my my haul videos here. So I want to call this my my mail call here. So total combined here is roughly $220, including shipping for all the stuff that I purchased. Just to go over everything along with the prices here. So I got a brand new Shadow Troopers set number 75079. This ran me $31 plus shipping. Brand new box here, in very great shape, so I'm real happy with this. I'm trying to build my just trooper army in general, not specifically clone troopers. I'm trying to get a whole ton of troopers in general. Then I got set number 7655 Clone Troopers Battle Pack. I got this on eBay. This one was on eBay as well. This is a used set here. Just something to keep in mind when you buy used sets. Make sure you put them together fairly quickly, which I'm gonna do this tomorrow, just to make sure that you got, number one, genuine parts as well as the whole thing's complete. Typically with Mercari and eBay, you have a certain amount of time. Mercari specifically is 3 days to put the sets together. And if there's a problem, then you can go ahead and say something. I have gotten burned by buying some used sets, didn't put them together for like a month or two, and then come to find out that I got shafted and I didn't get everything that I thought I was gonna get. So I paid for this Clone Trooper Army set. This set cost me $40 plus shipping. Then on Facebook Marketplace, I picked up this First Order Transport Speeder Battle Pack 75166. This is 3 troopers. This is brand new in the box. The box is in a little rough shape. I personally don't really care about the condition of the box for this specific set, just because I really just wanted the troopers and I didn't really care about the box. I'm going to open it up and probably just trash the box at this point. It's ran me $25 plus shipping. Then my favorite part of this haul, I got 23 clone troopers here. Well, I'll call it actually 13 clone troopers and then 10 of these Hoth figures. So all in all, I got 23 figures. This ran me $105 plus shipping. I was real happy about this. It's between $4 and $5-ish for these troopers. I got fortunate enough where I found somebody selling these on Facebook Marketplace. So I went ahead. He had a bunch of different lots. As you can see, 4 different lots. So I just went ahead, messaged him, and just bought them all. Trying to build my army. With that being said, I'm gonna have a nice video to come here. I'm gonna get a whole army of different troopers. Again, I'm not gonna be specific to clone troopers, but just troopers in general, and build a big army, make a real cool video. I'm excited for that one. So hopefully in the next month or two when I build my army. So thank you guys for watching. Again, this was probably about $225 all in, including all the shipping costs. And here we have 23 troopers. Here we have 4, so that's a 27. Here another 4, 31. And then 3 here, so I got 34 troopers for around $225. Again, specific, different little builds here. So I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with the little builds, but thank you guys for watching. I'm real happy with this purchase and we'll have more to come. Again, please like this video as always and subscribe to the channel.